in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Central Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, Chester County in upstate South Carolina, York County in upstate South Carolina, Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen over the area, and an additional line of strong thunderstorms will create flash flooding conditions. Area streams over Mecklenburg County, including Briar Creek, McMullen Creek, and Sugar Creek, are rising quickly and have reached or will reach flooding levels over the next hour. An evacuation due to flooding in Huntersville has also been reported. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rock Hill, Uptown Charlotte, Huntersville, Monroe, Lawrence, Union, York, Chester, Central Charlotte and South Charlotte. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. When it is safe to do so, please report floodwaters or landslides flowing over roads or threatening property to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets, stream names,